So, Apple didn't talk about the iPad mini 7 like everyone expected during their recent event. This might leave you wondering if we'll see the new iPad mini anytime soon. Remember those rumors floating around the internet? Some popular folks like Shrimp Apple Pro were chatting about the latest iPad mini 7 and expected it to launch alongside the iPhone 15 series. But it didn't happen. So, what went wrong? Is Apple falling behind because Samsung already rolled out 3 top-notch Android tablets this year? Everything we know about Apple's most awaited iPad, the iPad mini 7, and when we might finally get our hands on it. It's been nearly 2 years since Apple released the iPad mini 6. So, for the new one to really catch our attention, it needs some big upgrades. And the first one everyone's talking about is the all-new Bionic A17 Pro chip. Yep, the iPad mini 7 will come with Apple's latest and strongest mobile processor. But honestly, we kinda saw that coming, right? Apple's been doing the same with previous iPad minis too. With the latest A17 Pro chip, gaming on the iPad mini 7 is set to level up big time. This new processor, built using a 3-nanometer technique, packs smaller features for better performance and efficiency. Plus, it's loaded with around 19 billion transistors, 3 billion more than the A16 chip. Gamers, listen up. The A17 Pro's neural engine powers a cool new Metal FX technology. What's that mean? Well, it amps up video game graphics without draining your battery like crazy, so you can play high-definition games for longer. Now, why the delay in launching the iPad mini 7? Well, if you caught the Wanderlust event, Apple teased bringing console-level gaming to phones, and maybe iPads too, by 2024. So, they might be taking their time to announce and optimize these games first. Imagine diving into intense games like Resident Evil 4 or Division Resurgence on a small device like the iPad mini. It's gonna be epic. Many experts predict the iPad mini 7 will hit the shelves early in 2024, just in time to pair with these games. Ming-Chi Kuo even tweeted about it, suggesting mass production might kick off in the first quarter of 2024. So, it looks like we'll have to hold our horses a bit longer than we thought for the iPad mini 7. But hey, while we're waiting, let's talk about some upgrades we're hoping to see. First off, the display needs a boost to 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung's S9 tablets already have this feature, leaving Apple a bit behind the curve. Also, let's talk about charging speed. Even though the current iPad mini has a USB-C port, it's a bit sluggish with just 18 watts of charging power. We need it to juice up faster, especially compared to other tablets on the market. But hey, that's the scoop on Apple's upcoming Power House mini tablet. What do you think? Is it going to be worth the upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with all the latest tech news.